It is hard to tell why this could be happening. One reason for this option is currently unavailable message could be problems with the biometric driver. Another possibility for the fingerprint reader not working in Windows 11 could be the registry. In this guide, you will find 6 methods that could help you bring back the fingerprint reader. Method 1. Check for updates Windows. I suggest checking if there are any system updates available. Otherwise, proceed with the next method and follow the steps very carefully. Method 2. Rollback fingerprint driver. Go to Device Manager. Expand the biometric driver or human interface device. Look for the fingerprint driver that was installed. Right-click and update. Look for the Browse My Computer for Drivers option. Then click on Let me pick drivers and available drivers. Choose an old driver and use it. Restart your computer and check the fingerprint. Method 3. Reinstall fingerprint driver. Go to Device Manager. Expand the biometric driver or human interface device. Look for the fingerprint driver that was installed. Right-click and uninstall. Once uninstalled, restart your computer. Method 4. Switch to a local account. Navigate to Settings. Select Accounts and click on your info. Select Sign in with a local account instead. Enter your username, password, and password hint. Then, sign out and hit Finish. If you still can't use the fingerprint reader, make sure the Credential Manager service is set to automatic. Press Windows key R and type services.msc. Double-click on the Credential Manager. Set the startup type to automatic. Then, click on the Log On tab. Select Log On as Local System Account. Tick the checkbox that says Allow Service to interact with desktop. Save the settings, and restart your computer. Method 5. Edit your registry. Click on the search icon and type Registry Editor. Double-click on the Registry Editor. Navigate to HKEY Local Machine. Software. Policies. Microsoft. Windows. System. Right-click on an empty area in the right-hand pane. Select New and DWORD, 32-bit value. Name the new entry Allow Domain PIN Logon. Double-click on the entry and set its value to 1. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. Check if the fingerprint option is available. Method 6. Rescan your fingerprints. Perform a hard reboot. The process depends on each machine individually, so find out how to do a hard reboot on your device. Go into Windows Hello settings and remove all fingerprints that you had saved. Perform a hard reboot again, and go back to Windows Hello. Find the fingerprint or security section and rescan your fingerprints. Now you may need to power off on your PC. Check if the issue persists.